I needed to have this bag. And I don't need to have a lot of things, but when I need to have it and I keep needing to have it, then that's how I know I need to have it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so first of all, let's get a couple of things out the way, okay? I know this plant is dead, all right? But I just can't let it go. This was my first, plant that I had that was alive, that I had to water and take care of, and I'm just really struggling with departing from it, even though she has moved on. Also, the jewelry. Let's just get into the jewelry from the Luxe collection. I mean, seriously, if you have not shopped the Luxe collection for jewelry, we know you love the wigs and the clip-ins and all that, but if you have not shopped the Luxe collection for jewelry yet, you're asleep, and I'm gonna need you to wake up. It's great quality jewelry that is super OD affordable, and it'll last you, especially if you take care of it. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, let's get into some small talk, because I just have stuff to say, right? We already know what this video is about. You seen the title, you clicked on it, right? First of all, hey, what's up, girl? Welcome if you're new. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Sharron. You should subscribe. I do lifestyle content sometimes, wig content, hairstyling videos, that kind of thing. So, stick around if you like that stuff. But I just want to give you some backstory, right? About the story of how this bag even came about. So I have a luxury wish list, photo album, and it's not necessarily all luxury items. It's just things that I would have to pay a large sum of money for at one time, which, I don't, if you've seen any of my videos where I'm doing chit chat videos, or I even have a whole video, a chit chat get ready with me about finances, and I tell you, I'm cheap. I'm very cheap, okay? I'm cheap, but when I really want something, I will treat myself, but I like to stack my money more so than just be out here just spending it all willy-nilly. This bag was on the list. I was gonna actually treat myself to this bag for my birthday. It was gonna be my birthday gift to myself, which my birthday isn't July, it's May, so far away. But well, not so far, but far away. But either way, I was gonna treat myself to this bag for my birthday, right? Then I was gonna treat myself to a different bag that I've been wanting for Christmas. You see how I have to kind of have an occasion, what? You see how I have to have an occasion to splurge like this? So I was okay, I'm gonna treat myself to this bag for my birthday, right? My anniversary was the 17th of May. And so my husband bought me this bag for our anniversary. So that's how I ended up getting this bag. But now that he bought me this bag for our anniversary, as an anniversary gift, now I could treat myself to the other bag that I was wanting for my birthday. Love that. So he was saying that he was trying to get it from the Marc Jacobs site, but it was sold out. And so he got it from this company, this site, Coggles, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And so it came in a shipping box, and then it also came in this box. And it came inside of this plastic, and the duster was inside of the bag. But I put the bag in the duster just because, I don't know, I just did. So this is what the duster looks like. It's a very large duster, and it has a lot of protective foams, papers, stuff all around the bag to protect it, which I thought that was very, very nice. I love beige, cream, tan, brown. Those are my favorite colors. I love them. I mean, as you can see, right? I love those colors. I just feel like they look so fresh and so clean and sophisticated and classy, and just, I live, right? So obviously I wanted this bag in the beige color, which they call it twine. So here is the bag. I actually haven't taken any of the anything off. I was trying to wait. I was trying to be patient, because listen, it was very hard for me not to just take all of this stuff off and wear the bag. But I was I want to do a unboxing kind of like video of the bag. So yeah, let's take this off now. This is what the bag looks like. I love the bold writing on the front. It has like the style name and then like the location and stuff on the bag, which I thought was just really cute. Like, I just think this bag is just so cute. So like I said, I love the bold text on the front. I really, really, really love the size of this bag. I love the look of the bag. I love the color. It is just giving. It has like the Marc Jacobs on the little like latch thing. And it has also too, like on the strap, the different like hooks that you could put it in, so it's adjustable so you can fit it to like where you want it to fall. It also has like a magnetic thing right here so that this could like clamp on, although like I probably wouldn't have that like out like that, but it's there. So the inside of the bag is also leather, and then it has like this little flap right here which you could like fit stuff on the inside. It just has like the Marc Jacobs card stuff, and then it has a card slot right here, which I feel like the inside of this bag, the colors are just so cute. Like, right? Like, I just love, 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 love. And the bottom is not like super like hard and firm, and you know, but then it don't have no feet on it, but it's not needed because it's not like super soft, but it's not like super hard either. Like, it's good enough. I feel like it'll keep it shaped. And so I planned on, especially with like the outfit that I have today, to have it where like this part is just kind of hanging because it's pretty like casual, you know. This bag is gorgeous. I live. Okay, so just for fun, let's do like a what all can fit in here. So I have like my work bag next to me, which I'm not gonna put everything in here from like what's in my work bag, but I have my Marc Jacobs pouch. This is really like a makeup pouch, but I use this, which I always use makeup pouches as like bags inside my bag, because I just have like a lot of different types of things and I don't want it just roaming free in a bag. So I use like this kind of like pouch. But so I would put this in here, right? And it fits, no problem. But for like if I'm going out or something, I don't need to carry this whole pouch. So I would probably take out because in here I have like my card holder on this side, and like my business cards and a mask. And then on this side of the pouch, I have a bunch of hoopla, okay? It's just a bunch of foolishness. Earbuds, mints, lip gloss, mini perfumes, lotion, my bill schedule thing, chapstick, hand sanitizer, anointing oil, girl. You never know when you might need to touch and heal somebody. So I won't need to like bring all of that stuff, right? So I'll probably need to bring my chapstick, a mini perfume. This is the Victor and Raw Flower Bomb Dew. A mint. I have my earbuds in here, but I wouldn't need to bring my earbuds. Fenty gloss, hand sanitizer, hand lotion. And then from the other side, I just am gonna take my card holder. And this is like the YSL card holder that has like the flap, so you could put like stuff on the inside, and it has a zipper, you could put stuff in it, and it has the card slot. So this really is all that I really be needing. Card holder. Just for fun, we'll bring the business card holder, which has my business cards for the Luxe collection in it. You know, you never know who you're gonna see. You might need to give them a business card, okay? And that's really all that I would put in this bag. And I feel like it looks very like empty. So yeah, like this is all that I have in it. Obviously my car keys would need to like go in there, which my car keys are so bulky. Let me get my car keys and show you. Car keys, okay? I mean, I have to get into my building and apartment and stuff. I have to get into my car, but I just feel like this is the keys to my grandmother's apartment. Like, it just looks, it's just bulky. And I think it's because of the mace, but it's like, I'm not getting rid of my mace, okay? Because run up if you want to, okay? And there we have it. That's really not a lot of stuff, which I like that though. Like, I don't want to overpack this bag because I still have to carry it, and I don't want to be carrying around a bag that's like super heavy. So this is really all that I would put in here, and it still is keeping shape and stuff, and it's all good. I love this bag, okay? I love this bag. I'm going to cherish this bag. She is beautiful. The color is beautiful. And it's made with full grain leather, which is like the best leather that you can have, right? Or so I've been told. Okay, I don't know much about materials and stuff like that, but I heard that a long time ago that full grain leather is like the best leather. And that's what this bag is made with. I'm so, like, when I'm serious. I don't get captivated by a lot of things. But when I seen this bag, I was like, I have to have that bag. Like, I needed to have this bag. And I don't need to have a lot of things, but when I need to have it and I keep needing to have it, then that's how I know I need to have it. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is a bag that I would like spend my hard-earned money on. Like, you know? Because like I said, I'll reiterate, I'm cheap. Okay? So yeah, y'all, that's it for the Marc Jacobs the tote bag unboxing. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you thought of the bag and of the video. Like, do you like this bag? I know you probably seen this bag everywhere, but like, I don't care. I had to have it. So let me know down in the comments like what you think and everything. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.